So I thought I would try out a new table saw blade. This is the Freud thin kerf glue line 30 tooth ripping blade. And the reason I picked this is actually a recommendation from Bourbon Moth on Instagram. So thanks, Bourbon Moth. But the reason I picked it is it does have a flat grind on the top of the blade. So be perfect for dados and that sort of thing. So I'm going to try it out. So we'll cut a couple passes to see how this blade works. So here you can see, yeah, it's pretty nice. Definitely will be good for gluing up. It's not perfect. I mean, it's not perfectly flat, but I could run it through there a few more times and probably get it really nice and flat. So yeah, I like it.